In this video, I will show you how to use dictation on iPhone. Tap on the dictation key on the on-screen board, then tap the dictate key on the on-screen keyboard, then speak. If you don't see the dictate key, make sure enable dictation. If you don't enable, then go to setting, then go to journal and tap keyboard. Scroll down and enable dictation. Then tap enable dictation and go back and go to notes. When you finish, tap the keyboard key to insert a text by dictation. Tap to place the instruction point where you want to insert. Then tap the dictate key.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.